Hi everybody, the voice of fragrance here with another video, and this is Daisy. I'm at my cousin's while she's out of town, and I'm on pee-pee patrol, making sure this one doesn't have any big accidents. But what we'll be covering today is a newer release from L'Atelier de Givenchy. This is going to be Myrrhe Carmin. Now, this fragrance came out in 2019, and the name roughly translates to crimson myrrh. Now, the notes in this fragrance are on the top ginger and cardamom. In the heart, we have myrrh and Bulgarian rose, and the base vanilla, cedar wood, and Peru balm. I love myrrh, and maybe we can call this a red fragrance, but let's see how it smells. It's a wonderful, there's a smoky quality to it. There is a velvety quality that is the rose. I wouldn't be able to recognize this as rose right away because it's blended so well that everything kind of just encompasses this warm, velvety, woody quality, but that rose really gives it a special nuance to it. I tend to go for a deeper fragrance anyway, and this one is right up my alley. Love the bottle, that dark bottle with the lined cap lined with thread, and cap is kind of loose. I wouldn't try holding it too much, but the bottle is not all that heavy, but the fragrance is actually very nice. Something great for fall. I'm not going to think that this would be too much for a younger crowd. Probably decent for a younger woman. This is a unisex fragrance. It is an eau de parfum concentration, and it's a little bit different. Not many people are talking about this. I think one reason is this may be a Saks exclusive in the United States. So according to Fragrantica, this fragrance came out in March of 2019. It's getting some good marks, although only 7 votes have come in on this one, and it's getting 4.75 out of 5 stars, which is very nice. The longevity is above average, and the sillage tends to be a little bit closer to the skin from what I'm reading. I haven't really had a chance to wear this all that much. I was going into the store hoping to get a good bottle of the Gaiac Mystique, but I actually changed my mind, and I'm glad I did, and I got this one. So I'm going to look forward to wearing this, especially in the fall. It's going to be a nice fall and cold weather scent. I can't find any real written reviews about this one. There's nothing on Fragrantica, and even Parfumo doesn't have any written thing about it. However, it's getting 7.9 out of 10 on Parfumo, and it is classified better as a night out fragrance, better for the fall and winter, more for men, 38% men, 31% women, and an even split on old and young, and they categorize it as a spicy, sweet, and oriental resinous fragrance. The tagline for this one reads, "Dare to be dangerous with the Myrrhe Carmin eau de parfum, an exotic fragrance formed from a blend of spices, deeply infused with sweet vanilla. The heady scent has notes of myrrh and cardamom. Presented to you in a rouge and noir bottle, it has a gothic allure." I can agree with that. If I were to verbalize what I'm getting from this fragrance, especially from the opening, imagine if someone made a high-end or a niche version of the Red Hots candies and added a little bit of rose in there and some woody qualities to it as well. That's basically what I'm getting when I smell this fragrance. The Red Hots quality is only, I think, just in the top notes, and it kind of sits there in, like I said, this really well-balanced fragrance, and nothing really pops out except you get this red warmth. So the name is quite fitting, something for anyone who loves oriental fragrances or even a gourmand fragrances, because I'm getting a hint of a gourmand touch to this one. So this has been a little quick review and unboxing of Myrrhe Carmin. I hope I'm saying that right. This name is actually kind of hard for me to say. But let me know what you think of this fragrance, if you've tried it, if you've seen it in the stores. I think it's only a Saks exclusive in the US right now. The price is $235, and that is for a 100 ml, I'm almost positive, yes, 100 ml 3.3 ounce bottle. On the high side, but the quality is definitely there. If I find out who the perfumer is, I'll let you know in the description or the comments. And please comment down below, let me know what you think. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you soon.